Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Welcome back to our weekly analysis on the major currency pairs. Today, we're gonna speak about, of course, the majors and what do we expect to happen this week. In the beginning, we start with the Euro US dollar as usual. What I see right in front of me, this is daily time frame, of course. You all know that we're always starting from the daily time frame. So we see very strong volatility and range, which actually doesn't indicate any certain trend. So that's why immediately I'm gonna skip the Euro US dollar. I'm not gonna keep my focus on Euro US dollar, so I'll continue with GBP US dollar. What do we have? As you can see here, last week we had a Brexit vote and we see 250 pips volatility during this day. After that, the price reversed back quickly and created actually a very strong bullish momentum. So I'm remaining bullish, to be honest with you, despite the results last week. They was not very certain, but I think we can see actually GBP US dollar continue to the upside. From the other side, Australian US dollar, absolutely currency pair that I am going to follow. We have a very strong support level on 0.71445, which actually is going to be probably my entry level for future selling opportunity here. So before that, we got a very big spike. We discussed that with my students a couple of times. After a big drop or big up move, we usually see reversal, recovery, as we love to call it, recovery. So I am expecting to see continuation on the daily downtrend. So let's see what's gonna happen. New Zealand US dollar is similar chart like the Australian US dollar, but I like Australian mostly, not use New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if we zoom out a little bit the daily chart, what we can see, first of all, the price was going in a downtrend. It's very clear one. Broke out the resistance level here. We discussed that that actually the New Zealand started being in an uptrend. After that, created a downtrend, similar spike like the Australian dollar, uptrend, and right now we are in a downtrend. So because of this uncertainty, I prefer to put my money in the Australian dollar rather than the New Zealand dollar, despite the fact that the charts usually are going quite similar altogether. US dollar, Canadian dollar, definitely very interesting chart, very strong drop. You know that the Canadian dollar is a commodity currency related to the crude oil. So the crude oil, as you know, is going down. For the last couple of weeks started going up. So actually in this case the Canadian dollar is going up because of the bullish momentum of the crude oil. So what I'm going to follow compared about this USD Canadian currency pair is actually these levels: 1.33190 and 1.31788. What I'm expecting to see the USD Canadian dollar to go down, to break out this level, to continue going down, after that return back to this resistance level, and after that continuation to the downside. Until we don't have a breakout of this level, we cannot say this bearish momentum is confirmed as a bearish trend. USD Swiss franc, quite similar to the Euro US dollar. I don't like USD Swiss franc, so when I don't like the chart, when it's pretty volatile for me and it's not very clear, I just don't trade it. USD Japanese yen, all the Japanese yen seems pretty similar right now because of the drop of the because of the strength of the Japanese yen. This, I'm talking about this candle, guys. You know, we had a very strong drop on all the Japanese currency pairs. So for now I'm staying passive regarding the US dollar Japanese yen. So let's see what's gonna happen. If you like this video, guys, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, also Twitter, Instagram, all the social medias, we are there. If you want to see more of these videos, just put a comment below the video, and of course We're waiting for you to become our students. Enjoy the day, have fun.